everyone, it's Eric from Brick and Tide Home Group. Today I'm here with Chuck Carter from Movement Mortgage. And if you're wondering why we're out here on the golf course, well, that's because Chuck, he's famous worldwide via social media, known as the golfing lender.
That's right. Thank you, Eric. Hey, it's Chuck Carter, the golfing lender with Movement Mortgage. I'm here with Eric Jubeck, and we are at Sailfish Sands Golf Course today. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, we're going to try and make some birdies today. Love it. For now, it's the golfing lender that you know, like, and trust. We'll talk soon. For now, this is the golfing lender that you know, like, and trust. We'll talk soon.
All right, Chuck, so let's tell all the viewers, who's Chuck Carter, who's Movement Mortgage, what do you guys service, what do you do?
Yeah, so I'm a mortgage loan originator, and Movement Mortgage, we're the nation's 6th largest retail mortgage lender in the U.S.
That's awesome.
And we are also the home of upfront underwriting. So, you know, if we've been pre-approved and we now have a contract in place and we're moving forward with the purchase of a house, when I submit that file to underwriting, we're going to have our conditional approval within 6 hours of that submission. So we do a lot of things up front, early on, just to help make, you know, the closing that much smoother. No surprises, none of that stuff.
Awesome. All right, man, you ready to take a swing?
Absolutely. Let's do this.
All right, Chuck, so now that everybody knows not to mess with you on the golf course, what they want to know is what separates you from your competition? What do you guys do different there at Movement Mortgage and you specifically?
Yeah, so, you know, what we do differently at Movement Mortgage, you know, I want to go back to the upfront underwriting. So in addition to just knowing early, you know, what's going on with the file, right? You know, somebody who is going to be self-employed or somebody who might have variable income, you know, folks that work, realtors, folks that work a lot of overtime, so, you know, police officers, firefighters, that kind of stuff. Yeah. You know, there's a lot of complexities and challenges as it relates to documenting their proper income, right? Because we want to maximize their purchasing power. And so one of the things that we do that separates us from the competition is for those folks, you know, whether they're self-employed or income is variable, we will actually fully underwrite their file up front before we go to the contract. So that way an underwriter has previewed their you know, just their profile. And what that does, there's not going to be any surprises at the end of the day. So
that's awesome. All right, Chuck, so what the viewers want to know is what's your promise? You know, what are you going to do for your clients if somebody chooses to work with you, work with Movement Mortgage? What's your promise to your clients?
Yeah, absolutely. So my promise to my clients is this: I am going to be here to support you every step of the way, right? So we're talking from pre-approval to, you know, appraisal and title, all the way up to the closing table and you know, funding the loan, right? That moment when you get the keys, even after the fact. So if you have a servicing question after, you know, the loan's closed, and maybe it's a question about taxes or insurance, whatever the case is, always feel free to give me a call anytime. I'm here to support you every step of the way. In addition to that, from a company perspective, we actually give back to our communities. And so one of the ways we do that is we take a portion of the profits that we get and we help build schools in underprivileged communities. We also go on mission trips all over the globe. I think we're doing 3 or 4 different mission trips this year.
That's awesome.
So that's the way I give back myself as well as Movement Mortgage to help serve our clients.
All right, I appreciate it. Well, let's go ahead, sink that putt. We'll
all right,
call it a wrap.
Let's finish it.
Woo! There he is, ladies and gentlemen, the golfing lender, Chuck Carter, Movement Mortgage. I'll put his contact info in the link below.
Thank you, guys. In total, terrible.
Woo! There he is, the golfing lender.
So, you know, right at the end.
There he is, Chuck Carter, the golfing lender.